Which of the following is an example of a nuclear reaction provided? A. H2O, H2 plus O2. B. B9 plus E4, C13 asterisk. C. 2H2 plus O2, 2H2O. D. NaCl plus AgNO3, AgCl plus NaNO3. The correct answer is B. B9 plus E4, C13 star. What is the approximate number of cells in the human body? A. 3.7 x 10 13. B. 3.7 x 10 12. C. 3.7 x 10 10. D. 3.7 x 10 15. The correct answer is A. 3.7 x 10 13. The activity involves dragging each part of the flower into what? A. A drawing area. B. The relevant box. C. A collecting jar. D. A separate screen. The correct answer is B. The relevant box. How are plants classified based on their habitat? A. By their stem and leaves. B. By their size and color. C. Based on their habitat. D. By their type of reproduction. The correct answer is C. Based on their habitat. What is the state of matter for silicon dioxide in the reaction forming calcium silicate? A. Gas. B. Solid. C. Liquid. D. Aqueous. The correct answer is B. Solid. What property does magnetite possess? A. Magnetic properties. B. Thermal insulation. C. Electrical conductivity. D. Optical clarity. The correct answer is A. Magnetic properties. What is a major source of illness in the form of infections or poisoning? A. Excessive consumption of carbohydrates. B. Adulteration of vitamins. C. Lack of essential nutrients. D. Food contamination with microorganisms. The correct answer is D. Food contamination with microorganisms. What type of surface would cause light to bounce off in a single, predictable direction? A. A smooth, flat surface. B. A transparent surface. C. A dark, absorbing surface. D. A rough, uneven surface. The correct answer is A. A smooth, flat surface. Which of the following is an objective of crop improvement? A. Developing varieties with shorter duration. B. Increasing duration of growth. C. Reducing disease resistance. D. Decreasing overall yield. The correct answer is A. Developing varieties with shorter duration. What is the ending cell in the range C6, C9? A. C6. B. C10. C. C9. D. C5. The correct answer is C. C9. How are electric components arranged in a parallel circuit? A. Divided into branches. B. Stacked vertically. C. Connected end-to-end. D. In a single series. The correct answer is A. Divided into branches. What do microphones detect for a robot? A. Sounds. B. Pressure. C. Light. D. Motion. The correct answer is A. Sounds. Besides changing motion, what else can force change about certain objects? A. Their shape and size. B. Their color and texture. C. Their mass and volume. D. Their temperature and density. The correct answer is A. Their shape and size. The method described for measuring a curved line involves finding the length of what? Arc. The chord. B. The arc. C. A straight line. D. A string laid along the curve. The correct answer is D. A string laid along the curve. What condition is necessary for the fermentation process that produces gobar gas? A. Presence of light. B. Presence of water. C. Absence of air. D. High temperature. The correct answer is C. Absence of air. Which of the following organisms is not mentioned as an economically important aquatic organism reared in aquaculture? A. Fishes. B. Pearl oysters. C. Jellyfish. D. Crabs. The correct answer is C. Jellyfish. What is an animal raised for its flesh and products consumed by humans called? A. Wild animal. B. Pet animal. C. Domestic animal. D. Animal food. The correct answer is D. Animal food. Ptolemy's model of the universe was based on which concept? A. Astrocentrism. B. Geocentrism. C. Cosmocentrism. D. Heliocentrism. The correct answer is B. Geocentrism. What isotope of carbon is used as the reference for defining a mole? A. Carbon-12. B. Carbon-32. C. Carbon-14. D. Carbon-10. The correct answer is A. Carbon-12. What does a lactometer measure in milk? A. Water content. B. Protein content. C. Sugar content. D. Cream content. The correct answer is D. Cream content. Through which states of matter can sound travel? A. Through solids, gases, and liquids. B. Only through solids and liquids. C. Only through liquids and gases. D. Only through gases. The correct answer is A. Through solids, gases, and liquids. Which type of mixture would most likely exhibit the Tyndall effect? A. A true solution. B. An element. C. A homogeneous solution. D. A colloid. The correct answer is D. A colloid. What is the primary method of converting biodegradable solid waste into humus during composting? A. Thermal decomposition. B. Magnetic separation. C. Chemical incineration. D. Microbial digestion. The correct answer is D. Microbial digestion. Which component in detergents is responsible for breaking down stains caused by biological substances? A. Fluorescent whitening agents. B. Enzymes. C. Sodium perborate. D. Sodium sulfate. The correct answer is B. Enzymes. How is water typically carried to farming fields from wells or canals by farmers or cattle? A. Manually or with the aid of cattle. B. Using a sprinkler system. C. Through underground pipelines. D. By direct release from pumps. The correct answer is A. Manually or with the aid of cattle. How do the properties of alloys typically compare to those of their component elements? A. They are always weaker. B. They are always more brittle. C. They are often different. D. They are always identical. The correct answer is C. They are often different. What are lower hydrocarbons like methane and ethane called when they are present in natural gas? A. Liquid gas. B. Compressed gas. C. Wet gas. D. Dry gas. The correct answer is D. Dry gas. What is the C unit of wavelength? A. Meter, M. B. Hertz, Hertz. C. Second, S. D. Pascal, Pa. The correct answer is A. Meter, M. What does the number of images formed by a mirror depend on? A. The type of light used. B. The material of the mirror. C. The size of the object. D. The angle of inclination of the mirrors. The correct answer is D. The angle of inclination of the mirrors. What property does a base possess when dissolved in water? A. It releases hydrogen atoms. B. It releases hydroxide ions. C. It becomes acidic. D. It changes color. The correct answer is B. It releases hydroxide ions. How did you score?